Yes, so if we want to read, we will come to this part, page 72, and it's the English course book reader. Yeah, sorry, the course book. There was a time when dinosaurs walked on this earth, but then one day they disappeared. Many believers, many believe their existence and disappearance is shrouded in a mystery. Let us find out about attempts to solve one of the greatest mysteries of nature in this chapter. For over 150 million years of the earth was dominated by some of the most extraordinary creatures that ever lived, the great reptiles. You know what are reptiles? Popularly known as the dinosaurs, the name dinosaur first introduced by the zoologist Richard Owen is Greek for terrible lizard. Though dinosaurs were not true lizards, while most dinosaurs were vegetarians and few flesh eaters were indeed terrible. All were not eating flesh, they were not flesh eaters. But those eating flesh eaters were very terrible. So, why, from having been the lords of the earth 65 million years ago, did the dinosaurs suddenly die out, leaving the world to smaller mammals? Suddenly happened. They were ruling the earth, only they were there, all the bosses. Scientists have made several attempts to resolve the riddle, this puzzle. What's happened actually? No one is able to find out anything. Did the climate change? Did smaller animals take to eating the dinosaurs' eggs? Did a nearby exploding star shower the earth with deadly X rays? Some doubted an answer would never be found. Then, about 20 years ago, some very rare material, iridium, was found in rocks about 65 million years ago. Was found in rocks 55 million years ago. Isn't it? Found in rocks. Where did it come from? And could it be significant that it first appeared just when the dinosaurs died out? Scientists now believe that most likely origin of the iridium was outer space. And that it probably arrived as a part of one or more large meteorites. Meteorites are large, fire things, they come right down to the earth and they can blast. Scientists now believe that the most likely origin, the originality of this iridium, how did it come here, came from the outer space as meteorites. Came and fell here, and those affected these animals or these dinosaurs, and they got extinct, which came and collided with the earth. The craters caused by these meteorites have now been worn away, but some are more recent, such as those in the picture, and still can be seen today. The meteor crater, Arizona, USA. crater came and fell. See what a blast it made here. But how could something striking the earth 65 million years ago have killed all the dinosaurs? The theory is that, again, I told you about the theory at the beginning. The theory is that if the object had been big enough, it could have caused such a devastating impact that it would have thrown enormous amounts of rock and dust high into the atmosphere. The dust would have been spread around the world, cutting out much of the sunlight. For months or even years, there would have been little light and heat. It would have been rather like a permanent, extremely cold night. Plants would have died, and then the animals that lived on the plants would have starved. Small animals might have been able to survive by nibbling bark or seeds, or even the frozen bodies of larger animals. But by the time the skies had cleared and the warmth and the light from the sun shone through again, it would have been too late for the dinosaurs. This much only. I explained you more, and I'll explain you more again in the next class. You read this properly, and I'll come back with more explanations about dinosaurs. What happened? This is here for your 2020 match question answers. But we have to know more about dinosaurs. It's a mystery. What actually happened? They're saying some iridium came and there was a blast. Meteorites came in and from the outer space, and they blasted down, they hit the earth, and there was an explosion. Iridium were found on some rocks. There was poisonous gases and stones were thrown up. When there's a blast and the whole earth's surface was covered with dust and stones, and sunlight was not able to come in. And respect of the fact there was sunlight, if it does not come in, plants will not grow. If plants do not grow, what will those vegetarian things eat? And if there are no other small animals, those who die, the other ones won't be able to eat. So the small ones were just on seeds or the leaves or some dead big animals they were eating. But how long? It was a long night, there was no sunlight. So if there's no sunlight and it's cold, people won't be able to survive. What people? Animals won't be able to survive. Forget about people. That's what they think happened during that time, 65 million years ago. Suddenly they wiped out, disappeared. Okay, so this is what I think. You read this chapter, try to go through the word meanings. All word meanings are given here. I don't want to repeat them in this video. So you study them, understand the words and what they mean. If you have any problem, because the next class when I come, I will explain you. Okay. Serious damage. All meanings are given. You have to also read yourself and learn class 6. You are all now in the senior school. So do it yourself, learn. I have explained you what actually all happened. Now see, this is a great dinosaur mystery. Now we have to know what is a dinosaur also. Next class I'll come and explain, so we'll get some more issues about this. It's a mystery, I understand, but why is this a mystery? We have to know who's that person that it's all about, isn't it? So something I've talked to you, something I've told you, scientists found out bones, fossils, rocks, they tried to gather and prove that there were dinosaurs. And so after that we watched a movie, the Jurassic Park 1, 2, 3, whatever happened. I know I have only watched the first part because it was by Steven Spielberg, so I watched it and it was good and I liked it, and that's what it was. That was a movie. So dinosaurs, if you go into Discovery also, they are not able to show you, they show you with graphics. So read and learn, that's what you will be able to do, and you will learn more. So, and follow what I tell you. I have few explanations which I give you, and so you can go ahead with it. Okay, so take care of yourselves, read, study and be happy. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye. Oh, and yes, you'll be having an exam in the first or second week of September online, so make sure you study what happened in the past also. Keep on studying. If you have registered, so If you have not registered, if you don't want to give the exam, I cannot force you. But if you want to give the exam, please do register yourself and then follow the details, whatever are there. Okay. So take care. Bye bye, and see you.